if you've ever taken the head off a bolt and made whatever you're using useless, hopefully today we're going to show you how to get that bolt out simply by drilling a hole in the stud first, and then once there's a hole there, then we'll use one of these easy outs to take that bolt out. Let's see how we go. Okay, so that's basically how you get a bolt out that you've lost the top of it. It's probably a lot easier if I can use two hands while I do it. It's a bit hard holding the camera while I'm trying to do the demonstration, but I think you get the gist.